students. Today we are going to do activity number 7 that related to topic quadrant and coordinates, and the objective of this activity is to obtain the mirror image of a given geometrical figure with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. We need to find out the mirror image of the given geometrical figure. So you all need to know that when we write or when we find out the mirror image of the given point or given geometrical figure, suppose the point are AB, and whenever we find out the mirror image with respect to x-axis, so y coordinate sign will be changed. Suppose the points are A and B, coordinates of any point is a b, so a as it is no problem, but only sign b, that means y axis coordinate sign will be changed with respect to x axis. The similarly, when we find out the mirror image of the point with respect to y axis, so here the y axis coordinate it's same, only the sign of the x axis will be changed. So here the image or the geometrical figure has given for you, this one has given for you, and this one has given for you, and we need to find out that mirror image with respect to y-axis and another for the with respect to x-axis. Or one figure you find out the both type of mirror image with respect to y-axis and with respect to x-axis. Here I have drawn with respect to y-axis, that means mirror is on the y-axis, and we find out the mirror image with respect to y-axis. Mirror position is that type of on the y-axis vertically. Okay, so we know that whenever we find out the mirror image with respect to y-axis, so only the sign of the x coordinate will be changed. Which type of, suppose the coordinates of the point A is -7 0, -7 0. So when we when we draw the mirror image with respect to y-axis, so -7, that means the coordinates of the x-axis convert into +7 and 0 as it is. The same as for the point B, -7 2, so -7 converted into +7 and 2. For the C is -5 2, so here is 5 and 2. Only the sign of the x-axis coordinate will be changed. Minus converted into plus, plus converted into minus. The same as you will do for the D, E, F and G. I have already drawn. This figure I have already given here. So the same as I find out, I have drawn it already. The mirror image with respect to y-axis. That means sign of the x-axis coordinate will be changed. Here are the points are K, J, I, H as given. Suppose the coordinates of the K is 2 and -6. So what is the mirror image with respect to y-axis? 2 converted into -2 and -6 as it is. Okay, so this type of you also need to draw it. As the given geometrical figure of this type of A, B, C, D, and another has given in this type of I, J, H, G, E, F. Okay, this type of E, F, G, H, I, J, K, I, J. Okay, so in this given geometrical figure, we find out, we draw the mirror image with respect to x-axis. That means mirror is on the x-axis, sorry. Okay, or you find out the same figure mirror image with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. Okay, but here I am showing the mirror image with respect to x-axis A, B, C, D. So with respect to x-axis, whenever we draw or whenever we write the coordinates with respect to x-axis for the mirror image, so only the sign of the y-axis will be changed. Okay, for A, B, C, D, the points of the A is 4 and 2. So coordinates of x is 4 and coordinates of y-axis, coordinate of x-axis is 4 and coordinates of y-axis is 2. So 2 sign change into -2. So we write it 4 and -2. For the same as B, C and D. So coordinates of point A is 4, 2. That means coordinate of x-axis is 4 and y is 2. So whenever we write out or draw the mirror image with respect to x-axis, so the sign of the y coordinate will be changed. That means 2 change into -2. Here the point B also 6 and -5. Sorry, 6 and 5. So 5 change into -5. This is the mirror image with respect to x axis. For the point C, 4, 9. So mirror image with respect to x axis 4 and -9. For the D, 2 and 6, that means 2 and -6. Okay, for the same, for the given figure E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, the same as the coordinate, the sign of the coordinate of y axis will be changed. Okay, so this type of we will find out the mirror image of the given geometrical figure with respect to x axis and with respect to y axis.